really like trying to help clients get through the mediation process. In fact, most courts require that a case go through mediation before it can go to trial. And the fact of the matter is, a lot of cases will settle with mediation since we don't do it.
Yeah, I think that clients appreciate the fact that mediation gives them an opportunity to potentially settle their case without the uncertainty or expense of trial. So how do you usually explain the mediation process to your clients?
Well, I explain to the clients that the mediation is usually about a half-a-day process. It's a meeting between the attorneys for the parties. Usually the insurance representative is there for the party that caused the injury. And we have a neutral mediator who kind of acts as that's kind of as a go-between, but also as a good sounding board for the strengths and weaknesses of the case. What about you? What's one of the most common questions that your clients ask?
You know, one of the most popular questions I get from clients is what will their role in mediation be? And they always seem happy when I tell them that their role is really to listen to the evidence, to evaluate settlement offers with our input, and they're especially happy when I explain to them that they're really not going to have to spend much time in the same room with the defendant, but rather will be separated for most of the day with the mediator going back and forth with settlement offers. That always seems to give them some relief.
One thing my clients ask a lot is that, do I have to accept an offer of mediation? And I say, no, you don't have to. And I'm there to try to help, make my own recommendations as to what you might want to do. But ultimately, it's the clients, they have the final say-so in whether their case is going to be settled in mediation.
One other question that clients ask me a lot is, what happens if my case doesn't settle in mediation? And I always explain to them a couple of different things can happen. We may continue settlement negotiations after mediation, or we may gear up for trial.
Yeah, the really nice thing about mediation is that everything that happens there is confidential. So, for example, if a client makes an offer, or the insurance company makes a counteroffer, and we don't get the case settled, the jury never hears about any of that. And similarly, if we make a concession, or the insurance company makes a concession, it's confidential, and the jury doesn't get to hear about it.
So over the years, what have you found makes for successful mediation?
Well, there's a couple of things. First of all, you need a mediator that's got a lot of experience, has had a lot of experience in handling personal injury cases and also handling personal injury case mediations. The second thing is you need to have your own attorney, one that's had a lot of experience in handling mediation sessions, knows how to prepare for mediations, and that way you can assure yourself of having the best chance of having a successful mediation outcome.
If you've been hurt, call the law firm of Hinkle and Gooch for a free consultation, 317-745-5441. If you need help, we're here for you.